abwendi mi manyango atoro no Runyankore ati manyabia ntuza kusyo wire noza kushanga music ekutera everywhere iri Runyankore. So abana bagumiza
Kampala kungana witu wa ni senuri
yego
jebare
kali mwana
ninyera tukora mu Runyankore muri witu wa erizoba wabasa kubano iza ahaso ya Spice Diana kandi mwine collabos kurugiro ko kureba tana pe yabaho iwe nko muntu no huriro to mutima gwawe
imborra kurungi munonga abo kuba atekini cyereka obuhagiso bw'abana bankore abantu bambarra obatandikire kufuna kutuhereza for the music industry because before it used to be a very boring audience mbarara nyonka nkani nyanga kwisha kuperforming mbarara because ukoija abantu mbwenu batine man ngati noreba abantu no appreciating a music no manya culture yitu y'abanyankore ti yokugurukirira n'abantu bakutwaza je so mbene bintu bya mainstream industry music and hype nebintu bakugenda nebega mpora kunkati baza kubyega because you see me being a psychologist, I studied personality psychology. I know that more extroverts are being born each and every day. So as more extroverts are being born, so we are getting more people extroverted and preferring crowds and noise, even in Ankole. So I think the audience has changed and I'm in love with it.
Iwe kaniseni koko kureba industry ya Uganda yona edari na ya Western icyo ngicyo kunuya inombe ningambana ho yangira ngo waza kwetegereza aba Western nabo bakwatiriye industry ya Western Uganda ya Uganda iwe ngo muntu no kigamba hoki ingaro kirebota
mwena hati I am Uganda. I've been Uganda's biggest songwriter for the last 12 years. My breakthrough was in 2009, I think 2010, okay, and I have been on top the songwriting domain for all those years. So that's clear. Wajetegereza nyowe kazarwa omurubuganda konko witu kuno kumanoijayo nkora ebyo so accent yanje no jurira neyo Ruganda konka so nyino Ruganda nkarwega nimanya nindugamba je so nindohandika nkora hits for the artists ababaganda ninye kubahandikira batetegereza so ekyo nikyereka ngo nito tukwatirire industry waza kureba abana benshi ngwenshi ababana bona bimukureba ba producers abenji waza kuchondoza babine some roots from here. So the greatest singers, so nyoni njirangu, we are doing a very good job. I think omuntu yagamba atyo nabatabihira
nisenuri ebyesongoro Spice Diana byo muhandikire nibiha twareba na stage yakwebaza abo kumuhandikire cyesongo cya Siri Regula iwe nkiwe projects wakoze na Spice Diana nizinga.
So the project has 8 songs. So we have so far released 3. We are releasing Ankole, which was a collab. Then we released Mbika, that was the second one, and then Siri Regula. Yeah.
Ati numubaka cyo kubasa kwereza abesongozi bitabaha abayone batandika abo kuba narebo ino mutima murungi nareba no gambira abantu abo ngo base kwagira abana bitu baha. So the message yo kwaza kwereza upcoming artists wa Western Uganda uciyo natoba
abana bagumizemu tarox kuzikiza maybe je Kampala ba creating a music with good sound ngo kubakora abana limbambi no mu studio Kampala so nibagezaho nibija Kampala ne ba recording anitwe so ne ba competing so atebe bya stations za Kampala zo kwenda kusosora abwendi mi manyango atoro no Runyankore ati manyabia ntuza kusyo wire noza kushanga music ekutera everywhere iri Runyankore. So abana bagumizemu batakahumura.
Wa performinga kesongoro kaninza kaberebere kine myaka enga
nkakakora 2013. Yes, 2013.
Ate shahidi nare wake songora abantu bona nare bakamanya abaki ebirebo watusitingiremu akanyankore notambuka mukace koro kuba nohandikogeka mukace
ale kushinga rwonka for now, but I encourage people to sing in Runyankore. So I have songs in Runyankore I have not released yet. Konka ati ningezaho ni making sure every song I make nintamo olulimi lw'Olunyankore ningo olulimi lw'Olunyamate lwona ningo Olunyarwanda ningo Olunyankore. Yes, I make sure I do that because abantu bakaguma ne bagira ngo atiwe ati noyetwaranko taro so oli omu Luganda ate so noyepaka no abantu basome kuchimanya ngo nyoni ninkunda abantu boweitu abantu abana bitu kuno nimbakunda munonga so nimanya culture yanje ninyimanya.
Western Uganda omu abanyabuzale bawe abakwaja kukakurra Buganda abanyabuzale bawe ninga nga family yawe wakujja nkunuya heri eri mucheka cheri eri banda kabare fort
ati ne henji omurumba barumu rukonjiri konkana muno rukonjiri yo yego
sibura
abakutureba nashemerwa munonga kwijaha n'abakura so ngwenu mugumize mutagire nimbakunda munonga nebanyeta ni Henry ni Sima Henry nimbakunda munonga.